Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my mintMONGOOSE jewelry subscription unboxing. I'm so excited to be unboxing this today because I've gotten this subscription before and I absolutely love it, and I'm so excited to be sharing it on my channel again. So it gets delivered right to your mailbox in this teal mailer, and then I've got the subscription right here. But before I get into it, I want to let you know a few things. And of course, first of all, start off by thanking Helena from mintMONGOOSE for sending me this. I like to give a disclaimer when products are sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. However, I do have a discount code. It's Christy10 to get you $10 off your first subscription box. So of course, I'll have all of this information in the description down below. But like I said, this is a monthly jewelry subscription and you get 2 pieces of jewelry each month. And depending on the length of the subscription that you sign up for, it gets as low as $23.99 a month with free shipping in the US. You can also get it outside of the US with a bit more of a shipping charge. And what I love most about this is that each collection is hand designed by Helena based off of life experiences. And for example, this month came with this beautiful image here and a description of what inspired the collection. It just makes every piece so much more special. And this collection is really special because it's about living life to the fullest, embracing opportunities, because her and her family just moved cross country and now they get to enjoy seasons like I do, which I am just loving the fall seasons happening right now here in New England. And so I love that this collection has some fall inspiration in it. But you also get to customize your subscription, which I love when you get to customize subscriptions. So you get to choose your tone, silver, gold, or rose gold. You can say whether you want earrings or not. They also do something very special where every 3 months you get a free gift. So something not jewelry, which is such a nice touch. You can easily skip a month, add additional jewelry pieces, cancel. Ooh, and they have add-ons. You can do an earring add-on or ring add-on for only $3.99 a month. That's an incredible deal. They also have t-shirt subscription, which if you look on their website, the t-shirts are adorable. I love all of the designs, and the t-shirt subscription is only $9.99 a month. So an incredible deal and a great gift option. I know we're getting close to the holiday season and you might be trying to come up with some gift ideas. This could be a perfect gift idea. I love that it comes with this little jewelry cleaning pad. So let's get into this month's collection. It seriously comes so beautifully packaged. Ooh. And there's a little piece of candy in here. What a sweet touch. So let's get into the jewelry pieces. Ooh, and I love it's a collection. So the pieces are going to go together perfectly as well, which I love, matching my jewelry pieces. Ooh. So first we've got this beautiful long chain necklace, and I'm not great at describing jewelry, but I can tell that it's silver and it has this pendant, and you can see that like box detail, which is so pretty and unique. I love the circular design. Oh, I just put it on, but you can't really see it with the way the camera is cutting off. And then I also got matching earrings in silver that have the same box design as the inside of the necklace. So here is what the earring looks like, and everything is such beautiful quality. I have mintMONGOOSE jewelry pieces that I still wear very often that I absolutely love. They're in perfect condition. So I am so happy with this month subscription and the mintMONGOOSE jewelry subscription in general. So if you get this subscription, let me know what some of your favorite pieces are that you've received. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.